Wagwan KK Squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm coming to you with another magnetic eyeliner eyelash type thing. As you guys know, my first magnetic eyelash video doing well on YouTube. Well, for me, it's doing well. I'm gonna leave the picture here and the video link in the card. Check out that video. That video was bomb. That's one of the best videos I've ever recorded, so hopefully this video I can bring a little vibes to it as well. Anyways, this is my second time trying magnetic lashes. So here we have the She Your Eye We Care magnetic eyelashes eyeliner. This is from Amazon as well. Let me show you guys the package. So what comes inside is, this one has 3 pairs of lashes. The one that I got before had like 5 pairs to 6 pairs, I don't remember, and it had 2 eyeliners. But this one comes with 3 pairs and 1 eyeliner plus the applicator stick thingy. Let me tell you the name of the stuff and stop do that. Applicator stick, eyelash applicator, that's what it's called. So on the package it says 3 pairs of 3D magnetic lashes, 1 tube of magnetic eyeliner, and 1 eyelash applicator. Long lasting, safety, natural look, comfortable, smooth. Alright, we're gonna see. I ain't no pro on this, guys. Like, as you guys saw in my last video, it was kind of a hot mess, but it was funny. They sent this to me, but the first one that I did, I had to buy that. This one they sent to me. But I like mine's a little more dramatic. Alright, let me show them to you close up. Alright, so for me, I think I'm gonna do the third one. Whoa, so you saw that? You could just take it off and it goes right back on. The packaging itself is magnetic. No man, listen, it's crazy out here in these streets because my mother never had them opportunity here. I think I'm gonna try the third one because I guess that's the biggest one. I keep talking about the first video. You know, I was scared. It was my first time and I went small and I went big, but I'm going big. Go big or go home. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one. First, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. Disclaimer, I am so bad at applying eyeliner. Like, I don't wear this. If it wasn't for the lashes, I wouldn't wear eyeliner. I only wear it like under here, but alright, let's see how this works. And it's supposed to be really easy, like it's supposed to be super easy than using the glue. Yeah, I can say that for sure. It is. It's fast, super easy and stuff like that. But for this one, let's see. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna let it dry a bit. Hopefully I don't have to cut the lashes, because you know sometimes the lash line is longer than your actual lash. So hopefully I don't have to cut it. I'm nervous, guys. Like, I just want this to go good because my first video was bomb, was perfect. Even this is magnet too, like it's sticking on it. So I'm gonna hold it like this. And you're supposed to like make sure it's in line, and then you just put it right. It's supposed to like just snatch on without you trying too hard, you know? So put it on. See, it's holding on. It's holding on for dear life right now. It's a dear life type thing now. And then You just straighten it like. And it's that easy. This is a game changer. It's that easy, bro. The only thing is, I wish these were like more bigger, like the ones that I had, the first one. Yeah, this is too small for me because I got so used to the bigger ones. So we're gonna like clamp it together. It now like now give me that you know, everything now give me that the ear now give me that the eyelash now give me that It can go on a little bit, you know. I like the first one. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Not true. Make it the look of free something. They make tell any lie. No, I'm not telling a lie. I tell you the truth. When I feel something, I feel it. Is it? All right. Let me try the other one. The other one me did excited, but the way me that go another video. Oh no, I forgot watch that. If you look at people who come watch this, no, please go watch that. Me I beg on you. That one did sell off. It did sell off. Me not lie. Me not lie. This not so bad, you know. It's just that I don't know. It just, this is for like, as they say, it's a natural look, so it's like for simple people, you know, like somebody like me, like the wispy look and all of that, you know. But as you can see, you say it gone easy, so easy. But I need bigger. Like I want you guys. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, you know. I want it to show like I'm wearing lashes. Easy to put on, but this not giving a yes, you wearing lashes, girl, yes. But anyways, for the people who like the small, simple, natural look, you guys can go check this out because you know it's just like something simple. It look like your natural lashes, you know. So I'm gonna leave the information down below so you can go check this out. This is how I look when I wear mascara. Anyways, so for me, because I have lashes, I do have lashes. I guess this is for people who really don't have any lashes and you want a natural look, you just try this out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.